The iPhone 18 Pro might follow the same suit as the iPhone 17 Pro, despite concerns from some users about its durability. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. According to a leaker, the anodized aluminum finish introduced with the iPhone 17 Pro, which has become a common complaint among users, is reportedly added to the iPhone 18 Pro as well, despite its weaknesses. The iPhone 17 Pro shifted from the titanium frames Apple used in its Pro lineup for the previous 2 years to an anodized aluminum unibody design. After launch, reports suggested the dark blue and cosmic orange models appear to scratch more easily than other finishes, with users describing visible marks on in-store display units within days of availability. Even YouTuber Jerry Rig Everything carried out a scratch test, finding out that most of the anodized shell holds up well against everyday items like keys and coins, but the camera plateau was a clear weak point to get scratched easily. And a month after that, several cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro owners reported color shift, with the aluminum frame and camera plateau drifting toward a rose gold or pink hue, asking for device replacements by Apple support. Now, rumors point to 4 color options for the iPhone 18 Pro models: dark cherry, light blue, dark gray, and silver. Dark cherry is expected to serve as the signature new color wine-like red that's considerably more muted than last year's cosmic orange, but there won't be a black option for the second consecutive year, although the gray option could come close. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to be announced in September 2026 alongside the first foldable iPhone. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.